After the fire. Long ago, there was a very big fire in Chicago. All the houses were made of wood. The streets were wood too. Since wood burns easily, it was hard to put out the fire. The fire burned for more than 30 hours. People could not stop it. Then it started to rain. Then people were finally safe. After the fire, many blocks had burned. Many houses were gone. People needed to move the burnt things out of the way. They wanted to build new homes. The leader had a plan. He said they should put the burned things in the lake. Then they would have more land. Some people said that was a waste of time. They said they should build houses first. But other people said they could do both. They could move the burnt things and they could build too. So they did. It was hard work. They put lots of old wood from the fire in the lake. They piled dirt on top. They planted grass and trees. They made the city bigger that way. They did not build on new land. It was too soft. The leader said the land could become a special place. It would be a park. It was next to downtown, so many people would be able to go there. They did make it a park. You can see that park today. It is the Grant Park. It is located downtown, and many people go there every day. Thousands of people work downtown. They can all go to the park. That was one way people changed Chicago after the fire. 5 years after the fire, Chicago looked different. People had improved downtown and they built new homes. The city was as big as it had been. They used stones and bricks. They built new streets using stones, so the streets were bumpy. Some people complained. They said that wood did not cost as much as bricks. They wanted to use wood. Other people said that was foolish, so they made it a law. Homes had to be protected from fire. The leaders did not want to have another big fire. Each year, more people moved to Chicago. They came to find jobs, and they came to live in the great city.